Hey guys, it's Shama Maher, CEO of Scaling Retail, and this week on Retailing Weekly, we're talking about the new app that Instagram is in the process of launching. IG Shopping is going to be the latest in technology that's going to allow consumers to shop directly from an Instagram app. Now, we all know that Instagram has been doing a lot in terms of the synthesis between e-com and converting into sales with the introduction of a lot of the shopping on app applications. This is definitely a wonderful trend as we start to move away from companies like 460 that really made their business models based on the Shop Instagram integrations into websites. So integration of shopping on newsfeed, amazing trend, and then looking into a standalone app I think is truly the next step in really bridging e-com and shopping direct to the consumer. Now, this is not the first time that Instagram has launched a standalone app. Certainly everyone's familiar now with IGTV and how that's been rolling out across the industry. What I think is so fascinating is that IGTV not only lives on its own, but it's also well integrated within the traditional IG newsfeed application. So I imagine that once we start to see Instagram shopping app take on, you'll see much better integrations within the existing platform. And who knows, maybe we'll be able to start tagging IGTV videos so that you can shop. Definitely not the first time that something like that has happened. In fact, companies like Matches Fashion do an amazing job of doing interviews with brands and also allowing customers to shop within video. So the ability to tag and purchase from within a video application is not new, though certainly within the mobile landscape and any social media company that's launched something like this, that would be new. So Instagram, I'm hoping that not only do we have IGTV, IG shopping, but you will soon be allowing us to do shoppable video content. All right, guys, have an amazing week. Hope you're great. Bye.